G'day guys, me and my mate Connor will be heading down to the Barny Creek today to hopefully catch a few carp on the rods. So we're here fishing, got the rods out, just waiting for one to grab on now. It's ready. Get him over.
I've never caught a redfin in my life, you know. Now I have.
So, first fish, we got a little ready. So it's a pretty good start. We'll just remove the hook out of him.
Oh, I thought you'd let him go. I would have killed you.
Something I always do with my fish is I always give him a kiss.
That's my fish, thanks.
We'll give him a kiss. A nice little up of him, and we'll just let him go.
Well,
so he'll swim off to find another day. So we've moved spots, and Connor's hooked up to a pretty nice size one. Now keep his head in the water. Now, let him over here. Go over my one. Go over that rod. Keep going, lean him over on that shallow bit. Yeah, I'll go down.
Got a photo this time.
Yeah, keep him over there, it's alright. Okay. Alright, bring him over here. Wait. Hold that for a sec, just film down here. Right, and see, pretty nice sized carp. So yeah, that's a first one for the day, and hopefully a couple more to come.
Yeah, don't kiss it.
So this is how we get rid of carp where I'm from. So that's one dead carp there. Yep, no worries. So that'll be it for today, guys. It's been a pretty good day's fishing. We got 2 carp and a redfin. So that'll be it, and I'll see you next time.